In this video, we will explore OpenClaw's advanced AI capabilities, focusing on how it processes tasks autonomously and the skills needed to leverage this for automation.
Welcome to our deep dive into OpenClaw's AI capabilities. Did you know that OpenClaw can autonomously execute complex tasks with minimal human intervention? Today, we'll uncover the secrets behind its powerful AI, exploring features from machine learning to industry applications. Stay tuned to learn how you can harness these capabilities to transform your workflows. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos.
OpenClaw is a robust AI platform designed to streamline automation with a suite of powerful features. It offers a user-friendly interface, allowing seamless integration with existing systems, ensuring real-time data processing and decision-making. OpenClaw's scalability makes it suitable for businesses of all sizes, adapting to specific industry needs with ease. Its customization options empower users to tailor the AI to their unique requirements, enhancing efficiency across operations. As we move forward, we'll explore each feature in depth, revealing how OpenClaw can be a game-changer in your automation journey. At the core of OpenClaw's AI capabilities are its machine learning algorithms, which are pivotal in processing vast amounts of data efficiently. OpenClaw employs both supervised and unsupervised learning techniques, allowing it to adapt to new patterns and make predictions with high accuracy. By analyzing historical data, OpenClaw can deliver predictive analytics, providing actionable insights for strategic decision-making. Its continuous learning capabilities ensure the system improves over time, adapting to new data inputs seamlessly. This adaptability is crucial for maintaining relevance in rapidly changing environments. OpenClaw's integration of natural language processing, NLP, revolutionizes user interaction by enabling machines to understand and respond to human language. This feature enhances communication, allowing for more intuitive and efficient user experiences. With robust language comprehension and speech recognition, OpenClaw can interpret commands and queries in real time, providing immediate, relevant responses. Moreover, its multilingual support broadens accessibility, catering to a global audience. NLP in OpenClaw not only improves user engagement but also streamlines operations by reducing the need for complex programming inputs. OpenClaw's decision-making capabilities are a testament to its advanced AI prowess. By leveraging real-time data analysis, OpenClaw makes informed decisions autonomously, optimizing strategies without human intervention. Its adaptive learning feature allows the AI to evolve, refining decision-making processes based on new data and outcomes. This capability significantly enhances risk management, as OpenClaw can predict potential issues and adjust strategies proactively. By automating decision-making, OpenClaw frees up human resources, allowing more focus on innovation and strategic planning. One of OpenClaw's standout features is its adaptability across various industries, from healthcare to finance, manufacturing to logistics. Each sector benefits from customized AI solutions tailored to its unique challenges and needs. For instance, in healthcare, OpenClaw can streamline patient data management, while in finance, it can enhance fraud detection. Case studies reveal significant efficiency gains and cost reductions, showcasing OpenClaw's transformative impact. Its scalable solutions ensure that businesses, regardless of size, can leverage AI to enhance productivity and competitiveness, driving innovation within their sectors. Optimizing OpenClaw for efficiency involves a series of strategic approaches to maximize performance while minimizing resource usage. Techniques such as predictive maintenance and resource management ensure that the AI operates at peak capacity, reducing downtime and energy consumption. Performance monitoring tools provide insights into system operations, highlighting areas for improvement. By implementing continuous improvement strategies, OpenClaw adapts to changing demands, consistently enhancing its operational efficiency. These optimization efforts not only improve productivity but also contribute to sustainability goals by reducing the overall carbon footprint.
OpenClaw's AI capabilities have driven success across various industries, as evidenced by numerous case studies. Companies have reported significant improvements in operational efficiency, cost savings, and customer satisfaction. By implementing OpenClaw, a logistics company reduced delivery times by 30%, while a healthcare provider improved patient outcomes with enhanced data analytics. These success stories highlight the quantifiable benefits of OpenClaw, supported by glowing customer testimonials. Lessons learned from these implementations offer valuable insights for other businesses looking to leverage AI for similar gains.
With great power comes great responsibility. As OpenClaw continues to evolve, ethical considerations become paramount. Issues such as privacy, Data security and bias in AI decision-making must be addressed to ensure responsible deployment. OpenClaw adheres to strict regulatory compliance, incorporating ethical guidelines into its development process to safeguard user interests. By fostering transparency and accountability, OpenClaw aims to build trust with users and stakeholders alike. This commitment to ethical AI development positions OpenClaw as a leader in responsible technology innovation. As we conclude our exploration of OpenClaw's AI capabilities, it's clear that the future of automation is bright and promising. OpenClaw's advanced features and adaptability position it as a pivotal tool in transforming industries. We encourage you to explore these capabilities further and consider how OpenClaw can revolutionize your operations. Your feedback is invaluable, so please share your thoughts in the comments and let us know what topics you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth explorations of cutting-edge technologies.